1. 1935 Ford Sedan. Price $4,500. Located in Sperry, Oklahoma. This 1935 Ford sedan presents a unique opportunity for enthusiasts looking to build or complete a compact race-inspired project with serious potential. Unlike a traditional full-size classic restoration, this vehicle has been transformed into a dwarf car, making it a lightweight and agile platform ideal for track use or custom hot rod builds. While the exact chassis origin remains uncertain, the structure is already well on its way toward becoming race-ready, offering a solid foundation for someone with mechanical knowledge and vision. Power currently comes from an older GSXR 1150 motorcycle engine equipped with carburetors, providing a high-revving performance setup that suits the car's lightweight nature. Additionally, the sale includes a newer GSXR 1000 engine from a later model range, complete with stock fuel injection, wiring harness, ECU, and header components. This gives the next owner flexibility to upgrade the drivetrain for improved performance and reliability. The vehicle still requires plumbing and wiring work to be fully operational, but many of the necessary components are included and organized separately. It also features adjustable electric power steering, enhancing drivability and control. Included in the package are spare wheels and tires, along with a complete Toyota 8-bolt rear end and an additional spare unit, adding further value. Overall, this 1935 Ford sedan is an unfinished but promising custom project, perfect for builders seeking a distinctive and performance-oriented classic with plenty of included parts to complete the vision. 2. 1942 Ford Truck Hot Rod. Price $23,500. Located in Nineveh, Indiana. This 1942 Ford Truck Hot Rod is a beautifully crafted custom build that blends vintage styling with modern mechanical upgrades, resulting in a reliable and eye-catching street machine. Built on a modified 1946 Ford frame featuring a custom Z setup in the rear, this truck showcases thoughtful engineering designed to improve stance and handling. The body is complemented by a shortened late 1940s Chevrolet bed, trimmed down for a more aggressive and compact appearance, while a narrowed Ford tailgate adds a unique finishing touch. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a dependable 5.7-liter Chevrolet engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, delivering smooth and consistent performance. The suspension system has been fully upgraded with a Speedway front axle, chrome shocks, radius rods, and a Vega steering box, ensuring responsive handling. The rear features a 10-bolt setup with a 4-link system and coilover shocks for added stability. Inside, the cabin features a 1952 Plymouth dashboard fitted with a custom wood gauge insert, blending classic design with modern functionality. A digital system includes a touchscreen display with Bluetooth, GPS, and backup camera capabilities. The exterior is finished in a flat burgundy tone, complemented by a custom ash wood bed and chrome exhaust stacks. Overall, this truck is in excellent condition, offering both show-quality looks and dependable driving performance. 3. 1932 Ford Coupe. Price $40,000. Located in Ottawa, Kansas. This 1932 Ford Coupe represents a stunning example of a fully built classic hot rod, combining timeless design with high-performance components and meticulous detailing. Known as one of the most iconic platforms in hot rod history, this particular build stands out with its exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout. At its heart lies a ZZ4 Chevrolet engine, enhanced with a custom sheet metal intake and 1.6 ratio rockers, delivering strong and reliable power. The engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission equipped with a stall converter, ensuring responsive acceleration and smooth gear transitions. A Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.55 gears and Posey traction further enhances performance, providing excellent traction and drivability. One of the most striking aspects of this vehicle is its extensive use of chrome, visible both underneath and across the engine bay, creating a show-quality finish that reflects the care invested in the build. The exterior paint is described as absolutely beautiful, with a depth and shine that photos cannot fully capture. A removable top adds versatility, allowing for open-air driving when desired. With approximately 12,000 miles driven, this car remains in outstanding condition. It also includes a detailed build book and hood, making it a complete and well-documented classic ready for enthusiasts or collectors alike. 4. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price $33,500. Located in Eureka, Missouri. This 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a striking example of a classic hot rod that combines iconic pre-war styling with practical modern upgrades. Built with a fiberglass body, the car maintains the timeless look of the original design while benefiting from lighter weight and improved durability. Its sleek coupe profile, finished in a rich blue exterior, pairs beautifully with a clean black interior, creating a balanced and visually appealing presentation. Under the hood, this coupe is powered by a mildly built 350 cubic inch engine, offering a solid blend of performance and reliability. It is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifting and dependable driving characteristics. The addition of air conditioning enhances comfort, making the vehicle suitable not only for shows but also for longer drives. The chassis setup includes a Jaguar rear end, providing improved ride quality and handling compared to original components. Power windows and digital gauges add a modern touch to the interior, while four-wheel disc brakes ensure confident stopping power. The paint and body are described as being in excellent condition, reflecting careful maintenance and attention to detail. Overall, this 1934 Ford Coupe delivers a great driving experience with a balance of classic aesthetics and modern convenience, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts. 5. 1941 Oldsmobile 88. Price $13,000. Located in Belton, Missouri. This 1941 Oldsmobile 88 offers a distinctive blend of vintage character and custom modification, making it a unique entry in the world of classic American cars. Finished in a brown exterior with a matching interior, the car carries a cohesive and nostalgic appearance that reflects its era while also showcasing its custom touches. One of the standout features of this vehicle is its air suspension system, allowing the car to be raised or lowered for both visual impact and ride adjustment. While the system is functional, it currently operates at a slower pace due to the air compressor, which may require attention or upgrading for optimal performance. Despite this, the car runs and drives, offering a solid starting point for further refinement or personalization. The vehicle shows signs of ongoing restoration, particularly in the paintwork, as the owner had begun redoing the brown finish. This presents an opportunity for the next owner to complete the project according to their own vision and standards. With its classic body lines and unique stance, the car has strong potential to become a standout cruiser or showpiece. Overall, this 1941 Oldsmobile is a running project car with character, offering both originality and customization possibilities for classic car enthusiasts. 6. 1937 GMC Rat Rod Pickup. Price $9,500. Located in Marengo, Illinois. This 1937 GMC Rat Rod Pickup is a bold and distinctive custom build that perfectly captures the raw and rebellious spirit of traditional rat rod culture. Built using an original steel cab, this truck maintains its authentic vintage roots while incorporating a wide range of handcrafted modifications that make it truly one of a kind. Its rugged appearance and aggressive stance immediately draw attention, making it a proven head-turner and even a show winner. Power comes from a 235 inline-six engine, paired with a T5 manual transmission and a 3.08 geared rear end, offering a balanced combination of classic performance and drivability. The engine setup is enhanced with a custom-built stainless steel intake and headers, along with a dual single-carb configuration that adds both visual appeal and functionality. A 6-point roll cage has been professionally installed, reinforcing the structure and adding to its race-inspired character. The truck also features 1-year-old white wall tires, a newer interior designed for comfort during longer drives, and unique details such as vintage aircraft-style seatbelts and a center light sourced from a 1950s school bus. With strong mechanical performance and countless custom touches, this GMC Rat Rod is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking individuality and style. 7. 1934 Chevrolet Coupe. Price $42,000. Located in Beach Park, Illinois. This 1934 Chevrolet Coupe is a high-performance custom build that combines classic coupe styling with aggressive modern hot rod engineering. Featuring an outlaw-style fiberglass body mounted on a purpose-built frame, this vehicle is designed to deliver both show-stopping looks and serious power on demand. The sleek black exterior is complemented by a clean gray interior, creating a refined yet intimidating presence. Under the hood lies a massive 454 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine, topped with a 671 blower and dual 750 carburetors, delivering exceptional horsepower and torque. This powerhouse setup is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth yet forceful acceleration. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end and a Mustang 2-style front suspension, offering improved handling and stability. The car is also equipped with disc brakes for reliable stopping power, while the overall build quality is described as excellent throughout. With just over 11,000 miles driven, it remains in outstanding condition and ready for immediate enjoyment. This coupe represents a serious performance machine wrapped in timeless styling. 8. 1927 Ford Model A Roadster Rat Rod. Price $14,000. Located in South Charleston, West Virginia. This 1927 Ford Model A Roadster Rat Rod is a clean and powerful custom build that blends early automotive styling with modern reliability and performance upgrades. Featuring a genuine steel body, this Roadster maintains the authentic look and feel of a true vintage classic while benefiting from a recently installed drivetrain. At the heart of this build is a new Blueprint 350 engine with only 300 miles driven, meaning it is barely broken in and offers strong, dependable performance. The engine is backed by a turbo 350 transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end, creating a proven and durable drivetrain combination suitable for both cruising and spirited driving. An extended warranty on the engine adds further peace of mind for the next owner. The vehicle is presented as a straightforward and honest build, focused on performance and simplicity rather than excessive complexity. Its open roadster design enhances the driving experience, delivering a raw and engaging feel that modern cars cannot replicate. With its solid construction and low-mileage drivetrain, this Model A offers an excellent opportunity for anyone seeking a reliable and eye-catching rat rod ready for the road. 9. 1932 Ford Highboy Roadster. Price $39,000. Located in Vassar, Michigan. This 1932 Ford Highboy Roadster is a beautifully executed hot rod that delivers both classic styling and impressive performance. Known for its iconic open-body design and aggressive stance, the Highboy remains one of the most desirable platforms in the hot rod world, and this particular example lives up to that reputation. Built for both cruising and show presence, the car offers a balanced combination of power, craftsmanship, and visual appeal. Under the hood sits a strong-running 350 cubic inch Chevrolet engine, enhanced with a 471 blower that provides increased horsepower and a commanding engine presence. The drivetrain is paired with a 350 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. A Ford 9-inch rear end supports the setup, offering durability and performance for various driving conditions. The vehicle features extensive chrome work across the front end, along with polished aluminum components that highlight the engine bay and overall build quality. Stainless steel exhaust and brake lines further demonstrate the attention to detail invested in this car. A removable top adds versatility, allowing for open-air driving when desired. With its clean presentation and strong mechanical setup, this 1932 Highboy Roadster is a ready-to-enjoy classic that stands out wherever it goes. 10. 1936 Ford Pickup. Price $18,500. Located in Greenup, Kentucky. This 1936 Ford Pickup is a custom-built hot rod that combines classic truck styling with a more modern chassis and drivetrain setup, making it both practical and enjoyable to drive. Built using a fiberglass body mounted on a 1982 Ford Ranger frame, this truck benefits from improved suspension geometry and a more stable driving experience compared to its original configuration. Power comes from a freshly built 350 cubic inch engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, with only 750 miles on the build. This low mileage setup ensures strong performance and reliability, making it an excellent choice for cruising or local events. The drivetrain combination is well known for its durability and ease of maintenance, adding to the overall appeal of the vehicle. The truck maintains a classic exterior look while incorporating modern mechanical components underneath, creating a blend of old and new. Its condition is described as good, making it a solid driver that can be enjoyed immediately while still offering room for personalization if desired. This 1936 Ford pickup is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a dependable and stylish classic truck that stands out without sacrificing drivability. 11. 1930 Ford Model A Coupe. Price $29,500. Located in Highland, Illinois. This 1930 Ford Model A Coupe is a well-built traditional hot rod that reflects an old-school approach to custom car building. Featuring a steel body, this vehicle retains the authenticity and character of the original design while incorporating significant performance upgrades underneath. Its compact coupe shape and clean blue exterior make it both visually appealing and true to classic hot rod culture. The car is powered by a 327 cubic inch engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a TCI converter with a 3000 stall, delivering strong acceleration and responsive performance. The drivetrain is supported by an 8-inch rear end with 3.54 gears and posi traction, ensuring effective power delivery to the road. Rear disc brakes add improved stopping capability. Built on a square tube chassis, this coupe offers enhanced rigidity and durability compared to factory construction. The interior remains partially finished, featuring a bench seat setup that comfortably accommodates taller drivers. An aluminum fuel cell is mounted in the trunk, supporting its performance-oriented design. Overall, this Model A Coupe is a solid and functional hot rod with classic appeal, ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate traditional builds with proven performance components.